Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy, MastermindX, and today we're foregoing the Legos and bringing you an awesome tech review of the Logitech G935. So, without further ado, let's get into the specs and check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace! I have come to the conclusion that my Turtle Beach Recon 60s from 2015 were no longer cutting it. I was in the market for a brand new headset, and where else to go but Logitech. The G935 features a 50mm driver, which is 10mm bigger than the 40mm in the Turtle Beach. The driver is a Pro G with a frequency response of 20Hz to 20,000 kHz. The microphone on the G935 also has a flip to mute mic function, as well as a frequency response of 100Hz to 10,000 Hz, able to provide crisp, clean, and accurate voice pickup. Lastly, the greatest part is they are wireless with a wireless range of 50 feet indoors or 15 meters and a 12-hour battery life not using lighting, or with RGB on, 8 hours default setting. Speaking of RGB, let's get a quick review from my 8-year-old nephew who also has the set.
Hey YouTube, just wanted to pop in and say these are the greatest headphones ever. No cap. You will be the best person in Minecraft. You can kill it up on your next Call of Duty campaign. So peace out. That's my review.
Now that we're done with technical specs, let's see how they actually work. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the Logitech G935 versus the Turtle Beach Recon 60. And that's our review, folks. If you'd like to get yourself a set, they are currently on sale at time of recording for $109, on sale from $169 at Amazon.com.